Creating a quiz in Moodle. Adding a multiple choice question and a short answer question. I'm hoping this Moodle course page is looking familiar. I'm going to go to Add an activity or resource and quickly choose Quiz. Moving down to the bottom of the screen, I click on Add. The first thing I'm asked to do is to add a name. So I'm going to put General Knowledge Quiz, and I'll just add the same to the description. And scroll down to show you what else is there. All of these blue areas have got other things that you can add or change about your quiz. I'm not going to go through all of those at the moment. There's a lot in there. Basically, we're going to go back, save and return to course. Here's my quiz. I'll click on that to open it, and you should see the option to edit quiz. A lot on this screen, but we're just going to add a question. And the first one we're going to add is a multiple choice question. And click on Next. Question name. I'll call it GK1 because I may have lots of different quizzes later on, and I don't want them all called question 1, question 2. My question text. A very simple question. What colour is a banana? Scrolling down. I'm just ignoring the bits we don't really need at the moment. So the first bit that might be important here, one or multiple answers. My banana could be green or yellow, but in this case I'm not going to give both of those options in my answers, so I will leave it as only one question. Shuffling the choices. Do I want my question answers to be in different places on different students' computers? That could stop cheating, so that might be important. And how you number it, that's up to you. So here's my choices. I'll go down a little bit. So I'm going to put 3 choices. Choice 1 will be blue. So clearly that's not the colour of my banana, and I'll click and show you there's options there to change it, but I'll leave the grade as none. And feedback for this will be incorrect. Scrolling down a little, choice 2 will be yellow. Grade this time, when I click on it, I'll get the options, and I'll click, which is just off screen, and select 100%. And the answer here, the feedback here, will be correct. And then scroll into choice 3, I'll give pink as an option, grade none, and feedback will be incorrect. I don't need to fill up all the boxes. Scrolling right to the bottom, and save changes. So you can see I've added a question. Let's go back and add a second. Add a question. This time short answer. And next. Question name will be GK2, so keeping the same theme. Question text will be the same. What colour is a banana? But this time, instead of giving them multiple choice, I'll ask them to write it in or type it in. Scrolling down, I can ignore all of those for the moment. And my answer that I'm looking for is yellow. And the grade again that they'll get is 100%. And my feedback will be correct. I could actually also answer green and give 100% for that one as well. I may give them 2 chances. Scrolling to the bottom, saving changes, and you can now see 2 questions. So you will just continue to add questions until your quiz was finished. So to see my quiz working, I can go up to the top here on my breadcrumb trail, click on General Knowledge Quiz, and I get the option to preview my quiz. I also get the chance here to edit them if I need to.